Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Kawaii Angel using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the white color and mold it into a ball shape. Put the ball onto your working surface and press it down to make it into an angel's dress base. Next, we are going to prepare each part of the figurine in advance. First, we are preparing white clay for the dress, then the upper part of a dress and sleeves. After preparing the white parts, we are going to make a yellow face and a hair base. You can then assemble two base parts and make Angel's face out of a light orange clay. We are going to assemble the parts that we prepared, starting with the upper and lower part of a dress and then sleeves. Make tiny hands out of light orange clay and attach them to the sleeves. I use my needle tool to make some details on the dress. Next, you can make yellow hair. I decided to make each part of a hair separate and wrap the ends into spirals. You can use a needle tool to make a texture on the hair surface. To make the face, use some light brown clay. For the cheeks, I use two small balls of pink clay and secure them on. We are going to make the halo by rolling some white clay and making ornaments on the halo using needle tool. As additional decoration, I made a small white bow and placed it beneath the angel's face. For the wings, use white clay and mold it into a wing shape. You can make the feathers using needle tool. At the end, we are going to place the angel on the top of our wings and secure it on. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I made a glint in the eyes with my acrylic paint and added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Kawaii Angel looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!